Alright, so I have this mower here. I did work on however long ago, but I was cleaning it up and getting it ready to sell, and then the pull cord ripped out of it. So I'm gonna go through and repair that. Need a Phillips screwdriver to pull this cover off. Here we go. Now I need to pull out these 3 10s to get the gas tank off. Never mind, those are not 10s. 5/16. I don't know why I thought those were 10s. I'm thinking these ones are 10s. Right, now I gotta grab the 10s. I'll take these 2 bolts out. I guess I'm gonna have to take this oil one out. Then there's another 2 10s down there I gotta take off to get the pull cord off. And then I'm gonna grab my longer extensions for the back. Now I'll take off the 2 in the front. Alright, now we got the pull cord. And then the other end of the rope's in there. I got this rope. Since this one's still long enough, I'm just gonna reuse that one. And then I'm gonna, I guess there's only that little bit in there. Here's gonna be the interesting part. I gotta line the hole up with where it goes in. And then this will be easier if you took a lighter and you burned it. And then just be careful, don't burn yourself. Get that to a nice fine point where you can just slide this all the way through. Might need to get some needle nose pliers to grab this end right here. There we go. And then I'm going to tie a knot in this end. And then that's back through, and that's not coming out. But now you gotta wind it up and get all this back in there. Now, somehow I'm going to have to grab this string. There we go. Now I can wind it up. Just untangle this. But don't let too much of it all the way in. Because then, once you get it down all the way around, I mean, this has to go back up to there anyway, so that should be enough. So I do gotta now put it all back together. Now if I can hold this here, you want to run this through the gas tank. I'm gonna hold this here with my foot, and that should reach right there. And that should be good again once I tie it back down. Now I'm going to put the oil one back in. That way oil doesn't spill everywhere. And then the gas tank will go back on. Alright, now that that's all back together, before I put that plastic cover back on, I'm just going to test it. I don't think there was anything wrong with this mower. Last I remember, it ran fine. There's no fuel in it, so it's not going to start. But I'm going to pull on it a couple times just to make sure the cord works. Know entirely the best way to explain how to fix those. Slides and clamps in here somehow. And then it doesn't clip on like that. Clip on so I can screw you down. There. Now are these lined up? Yeah. There we go. Well, that's how I restring the pull cord. And I don't know, there's probably a better way of getting the slack out of it if you wanted it wound up a few more times of getting it in there and keeping it springy. On that one, I'm not sure how I would have done that. It took me a little bit. But that's going to be the end of this video. If you want to see me fix more things, especially stuff I get out of the trash, if you want to see what was wrong with that one, go check out that video. And I'll see you in the next video.